Alrighty, YouTube. I'm back again out in the workshop sitting on my four-wheeler. The Sportsman 450 HO. And, yeah, this is what it looks like in my view when I'm sitting down on it. So when you look up, you'll see the plow, which has never been used yet. And you can see there is no snow. I love it. I don't care if I ever use this plow. As long as there's no snow out there, I don't care. So what we're going to do is I'm going to start this up. I'm going to let it idle for a while. So let me go ahead and turn this on. Oh, I'm freezing out here. Oh, let's see if I can put you down a little. No, we got to do it this way, I guess. This is going to be hard to turn the key here. Whoops. Okay. Ooh, I had it running for a little bit, and I decided to shut her back down and show you. There's the time, which is an hour ahead. Did not switch that over. Oh boy, is it freezing. So, let's go through the modes here. We'll go back to the 66 degrees. What I want to do is I want to take it out there and put a tarp over it so the seat don't get wet. Then let it idle for a while. So right now we're going to go ahead. Sorry for the shake and it is freezing. Go ahead and put on the in of the switch. I'll show you. There, the plow is up. And now we're going to be driving it out there. Oh, Lord, is it freezing. Now I'm going to do some work in the workshop here. Do some tinkering around, so yeah, nothing too exciting. It's a Sunday. But with that said, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll be talking to you.